Welcome back, dedicated founders and insightful entrepreneurs. Today, we're delving into a pivotal aspect of your fundraising journey: investor relations, the follow-up to your pitch deck. The presentation might be over, but the path to securing investment is ongoing. The manner in which you engage with potential investors after your pitch can significantly influence their decision-making process. Let's explore strategies to ensure your post-pitch communications bolster your chances of success. Firstly, don't underestimate the power of a prompt thank you note. Sending a personalized email expressing gratitude within 24 hours of your meeting demonstrates professionalism and genuine interest in fostering a relationship. Next, be swift in sharing any materials or additional information investors requested during your pitch. This responsiveness showcases your commitment and reliability, reinforcing a positive image of your startup. Keeping investors informed of your progress, even if they haven't committed yet, is crucial. Regular updates on milestones or developments can keep your startup in their thoughts, potentially turning interest into investment over time. If an investor decides not to proceed, approach the situation with grace. Politely ask for feedback. Their insights can be invaluable for refining your pitch and approach for future presentations. Customize your communication. Tailor your follow-ups and updates based on each investor's specific interests or the questions they raised during your pitch. This personal touch can significantly enhance the relationship. Patience and persistence are key, but finding the right balance is crucial. Respect their time and decision-making process, while also keeping your startup on their radar through gentle reminders and updates. Engage with investors on professional networks like LinkedIn. Sharing relevant content or engaging with their posts can keep your connection active in a non-intrusive manner. Lastly, propose a future check-in date. Scheduling a time to revisit discussions can provide a natural next step for both parties, keeping the door open for future investment. Mastering the art of post-pitch follow-up is essential for building and maintaining strong investor relations. It's about more than just securing funding. It's about establishing lasting partnerships that can support your startup's growth long-term. Now, I'd love to hear from you. How do you approach the follow-up after a pitch deck presentation? What strategies have you found effective in nurturing potential investor relationships? Share your experiences and let's learn from each other's journeys.